Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your MacBook. So if you want to clear cache on your MacBook, this video will show you how to do it. First, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and also like this video if you like this. So first what you have to do, click on this finder. Okay, now click on it. Now here you have to use your keyboard, press shift command and G. Okay, now here you will see go to folder option. Okay, now here you have to type slash library, okay, slash caches. Okay, now click on enter. Okay, now here you will see, so which type of your cache you want to remove, as I want to remove this one. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on delete, or you can just double click here and just click on move to win. Okay, now you have to enter your password here and click on OK. So like this you can clear cache. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.